Want to quit Forex because you have lost a lot of money? No one is there to help you. I'm here now to help you. I have faced all the problems you are facing now, but the difference between you and me, I had to go many Forex schools, I had to purchase many Forex courses, I had to pay a lot of money. I remember when I was new in this industry, I met someone in this city I live now. He sold me a train line indicator. Imagine buying an indicator, train line indicator. Really, that's really hectic. But you got lucky. You're going to get all this experience combined in this short video. Before I start explaining the strategy, okay, let's go to the market. This strategy has 5 rules, and then you need to follow the rules. First, the train must be support or resistant. The train must be support area or resistant area. As you see, this we explaining this called by volatility 75. But this strategy works indices, it works everything about Forex. If you see those lines, it works everywhere. I hope you asking yourself, what is this is he using? Is it a Forex? Why it is not Euro USD? It works everywhere. Don't hesitate, but you need to learn and understand this strategy. You need to practice, that's all, and then I promise for you, you will make money. First, you need the train must be support or resistant area. It must support and resistance is the area. There is no exactly place, and no one can never tell you that. As you see, this market is on the resistant area. Boom, we get number 1. Number 2, it must form W button or M button. W button, M button, or double top or double bottom, whatever you call, you must have this. As you see here, we have M button or double top. Yeah, we get an M button or double top. The third, it must form bearish or bullish engulfing button. Bearish or bullish engulfing button. As you see here, let me show you nice. Yeah, as you see here, this market formed bearish engulfing button. Yeah, this is we call bearish engulfing button. We have rule number 3. The bearish engulfing button must be the second leg, not the first leg. We don't need the first leg, we want it to be the second leg, you see. And then rule number 4, it must break out the trend line. You see, we put a trend line and then it break it, this candle break it, this trend line, this candle break it, this trend line. This is the breakout candle. Yes, I hope you can see, this is the breakout candle. Yeah, there is the breakout candle. Rule number 5, the second candle must close above or below the first candle. The candle that breaks the trend line, that is the first candle, and then the second candle is this one. Just started after this candle. This candle must it open already on the below the trend line, and then it must close somewhere below. As you see here, it closed under. This is what we need. If we get this one, and then boom, we take the trade. We don't need it to be retested. Yeah, it is very good to be retested, but mostly what happens is it may not get retested, the trend line. Even if it retests, and then we're not gonna lose nothing. Yeah, and then after the second candle closes, we take the trade. That's all. That is very simple. The newest person, someone that who were in week even may understand this strategy. And this strategy, it is very powerful. I promise for you, you will make money if you follow this strategy as I'm teaching you now. What we need is, first, the train must be support area or resistant area. Boom, we have it. The second, it must form W button or M button or double top or double bottom. Boom, we have the second. The third, it must form bearish or bullish engulfing button with the second leg of the M or the W button. Yeah, this is the first leg, and then this is the second leg. Yeah, as you see, this is the first leg, and then this is the second leg. Yeah, it must give us this second one, not the first one. It must give us the bearish engulfing button, the second candle, and then this is the bearish engulfing button. Yeah, and then this is the bearish engulfing button. Boom, we have. And then when we get that, we need the market to break out the trend line. You put a trend line, a simple trend line like this. You can put a simple trend line like this. It must be break it out. You see this candle, break it out this trend line. Okay, we have the fourth rule, and then the fifth rule, the second candle must close above or below the trend, or above or below the first candle. Okay, above or below of the trend line. Sorry, I make mistake there. It must close under the trend line. Yes, the second one opens here and it closes there. Immediately when it closes, and then we take the trade. Doesn't matter if it retests or not, we take the trade. And then the question that your mind is asking is where to put our stop loss. It's very simple, very easy. You just put your stop loss above of the double top or the double bottom. We put the above of the M or the below of the W. And then you're asking in your mind, where must we take our take profit? Yeah, it is very simple. You take the previous support or previous resistance. The first one, yeah, like here, it is very strong resistance and support, and then you take profit here. Or if you want, you can still continue. You take your second take profit around here, or you can still continue. You can take your third take profit there. Yeah, but always you have to know when you are in profit, and then you must bring your stop loss closer. Always there is opportunity in this market. You don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. What you need is trade wisely. Don't risk all your account, don't risk all your capital. You may risk like 3%. Highest you can risk is 5%. Always there is opportunities. There is not only one opportunity. You need to relax. You need to not to risk all your account. You need to risk less than 3% or 5%. I may recommend you that. Okay, let's look at another pace. Yeah, let's look another pace. Yeah, this strategy works any time frame, but the time frame I may recommend you, it is 4-hour time frame. You analyze a lot of different time frames, and then I may recommend you 4-hour time frame. Yeah, let's look this market. Let's look this market. Yeah, here it is in a support area. Here we are in a support area. We have a rule number 1. Rule number 2, we must have M button or W button. Yeah, here as you can see, we have a double bottom or W button. And then 30, we're gonna put our trend line. We put our 30, we must 30, we must have bearish or bullish engulfing button. Here we have a bullish engulfing button with the second leg, not this one, with the second leg. As you can see here, we have the bullish engulfing button. After that, we put our trend line. We don't need to put a big trend line, all of that. It's not really very big deal. We put our trend line, just a very simple, like let's put very simple trend line. Yeah, okay, just let's put like this trend line. Yeah, just see. Yeah, just let's put a simple trend line like this, and then yeah, let's put this trend line. This trend line, it was break up. And then the second one is it is little violated, we wait still. When it violates like this, we wait. And then when it closes the other candles above on the trend line, you take the trade. You take the trade, you take your trade from this is close above the trend line, and then you take from there. You take from the boom boom boom, you follow the market, you put your stop loss there. When you put your stop loss there, and then the market makes like something similar like this, when it comes and goes up again, you move your stop loss there. And then when it does this, each and every breakout, you will put your stop loss. You don't need any take profit. You don't need any take profit. The more it goes high, the more you will go until the market stops you itself. You put there, and then the market is still moving up, and then you can put your stop loss there, and then it still goes up, and then you put there, and then it still goes up, and then you put there, and then when you put there it still goes up, you put your stop loss under here, and then it comes down, and then takes you out from the market. That's very simple, everyone can know. And then let's look another pair. Yeah, you can see this market. The market must the train must be support area or resistance area, rule number one. Yeah, as you can see, this market, it is on, it is by support area. Very good. We must have double bottom or double top, or we must have M button or W button. Here we have a W button, double bottom, we get it. The second leg we must get bearish or bullish engulfing button. As you can see, we get it bullish engulfing button. We put our trend line, just very simple, just a symbol like this. We put our trend line like this. When we put our trend line like this, we wait the market to break it out, to break it, we wait the trend line to break it up, to break it up or down. This is break it up, and then the other one, the second candle, it's violated, and then we wait the other one to break it up. It break it up, and then we wait the retest again, retest candle. The second candle I call a retest candle, and then it closes, and then after that you execute the market, you take the trade. You take the trade, and then when you take the trade, you put your stop loss under, you put stop loss the second legs under like 10 pips down. And then after that you take your trade, and your first take profit can be this area, and then the second can be in this area, and the third can be like here. And then yeah, as long as the market goes up, you will go as I show you. And then thank you very much, guys. I think you learned a lot. But if you want to make money in this industry, and you must be disciplined, you must be dedicated, you must be constant, you must be patient. You have to be patient. If you are not a patient, Forex is not for you. Forex is not for you. Please do the other jobs you do. Go to your office, wherever you work, you're driving, whatever. Now we are 2020. You need to be patient. If you are not patient, if you cannot wait, you will never make money. To form in a single setup, it may take like a days, it may take an hours. You have to be waiting. You have to be, you must have a patient. You must be like someone who can wait. Do you understand? If you are not someone who cannot wait, and then brother and sister, don't waste your time. Here is not for you. I have a Telegram channel that I give free signals. I will put this video's subscription. Please support us for subscribing our channel, like our video, and comment. I will make more videos. I hope this is may not very clear, and I'm really sorry. English is not my mother tongue language. It is my third language, and I really appreciate it for your time. Thank you very much. Good luck.